Hey everyone, Steven TheSalonGuy here, and today I have a bunch of high-quality photos of men's hairstyles that are suited for a long face shape. These styles include layered cuts, side-parted styles, textured fringe, and hairstyles with volume on the sides. Pretty much they're all designed to enhance features without elongating the face further. So here's an image of a women's haircut that is suited for a long face shape, and the style features a modern and flattering look, like a shoulder-length cut with layers, side swept fringe or bangs, which adds width and balance to the face. That's what it is. It's all about balance. For a guy with a long face shape, the goal is really to add width and balance to the face to prevent it from appearing even longer. So here are some of the best haircuts for achieving this effect. And you can even see here like a side part hairstyle. Side part hairstyles create the illusion of width by breaking up the vertical aspect of the haircut. And so that's a really good one. Also, a layered haircut. So layered haircuts add volume and texture, and that helps balance the proportions of the face, especially when you're trying to get width on the sides. And you can, have different varieties of this. A textured fringe. A textured fringe or bangs can cover the part of the forehead, which shortens the appearance of the face. It's really effective when combined with layers, any sort of flow. So you're really, again, adjusting the appearance of the face shape by narrowing it down. So the forehead or exposing it, or a higher hairstyle, is not elongating the face. Another one is a crew cut. So anything that's really, really short throughout the sides and some length on top, that's kind of narrowing down the face, but then also having volume and a side parting could work really, really well. A buzz cut. A buzz cut, if you have a beard or like a stubble, I would really suggest doing something like that, because the beard is going to widen the face shape, and that's really going to help offset a longer face. A pompadour. A pompadour with volume on the sides and the back can really help balance a long face by adding the horizontal dimensions, which basically means width. So pompadours are always going to be in style. Curly or wavy hair. So if you embrace the texture with the volume, again, it's all about volume. That is going to allow the curl to be a bit more dominant and work out good. So next thing is comb over. So a comb over actually is going to really offset the face by having a little bit of height and volume on the sides. This is something that's very, very stylish, and I think a lot of people are doing it. Faux hawks, anything that really is not adding just straight height throughout the top is going to help for a long face. So, also consider the texture of your hair. All that really plays a consideration. If you want any more tutorials like this on different face shapes and hair tips, let me know. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, use code YouTube20 at shop.thesalonguy.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.